Dear my customer, this is Dumber from Benavis. Water is important for camera installation because camera is working on Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi signal and the stability is very important. How to test the stability? That is quite a big topic. Today, I will show you some small tips how to test the Wi-Fi signal here, YCC365 plus camera. To have you know, I prepared the two routers. Here is one routers, second routers, cameras, and the cell phone. First one, I need you reset the camera first here. Let me see here. There is a device with the AP host. Let me check the signal between the routers so you know how much the signal here. Let me download a tool here. I have the download already. Let me log in it. Still logging in. Let's go to the Play the Store. The app name is Wi-Fi Man. That's very useful tools here. Search here. I can see here it's installed already. I did not choose update. I will update later. Let's go back here. Let's open this tool. I opened the tool already. Here is the list Wi-Fi around here. Here is my meeting room. Here is machine for YCC plus camera signal is about 18 dBm. Here the current is 28 dBm. I put device camera with router together so you can see the router's signal will be different. Also, I set up another one. The another router is Pick Home Stone. This one is also the 18 dBm. Okay, let me work out from here. The working distance will be about 8 meters. I will go out. Now location is about 8 meters here, with two solid brick wall here. Let me look around the signal change here. You need to wait about 30 seconds to refresh Wi-Fi signal here. You can see here my YCC plus camera is 59 dBm. About my Wi-Fi is 56 dBm. And another one is Pickstone is 43 dBm. So that means another router has much better performance. Okay. Let me go outside, very far away here. Now I'm the location about 15 meters around us. So I can see the here waiting about 30 seconds. Now the signal changed about 72 dBm, and the cloud cam, the AP about 78. Another routers is 15.8 dBm. So 72, that means very poor location, is a marginal area. So in this area, maybe camera can work well, maybe not. So you need to find a better place to install. We recommend about 60 dBm around or 70 around. You check. Let's go upstairs so you can check here. I'm just upstairs now. The signal disappeared. Okay, I can see the signal changed here. It's 79 dBm around. What's the remaining is poor. What about another one is 78. What another router is 63 dBm. So it's different. Let's go upstairs again. The system reminds me current. My current signal is 79 dBm, but I lost connection already. When I go to pick phone, still have the 59 dBm. Also camera host around is very poor also. So it's cannot install the camera here because they put the signal here. So you know now how to judge the signal here, customer. I have returned my meeting room already, so that is today's explanation for how to test. You can see the different brand routers, the Wi-Fi signal will be different. So you can judge which area, how much distance about this one. If you need some Wi-Fi repeater, just to go to the Amazon to saw some TP-Link, Netgear, or Cisco Linksys, the brand. Thanks for watching. See you next time.